guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm actually going to bring you a organizational video. I have been super inspired by some videos I've seen here on YouTube, and I'm just so excited to get my house organized and cleaned, and I'm ready because we just got back from vacation and our house, I left it pretty messy. I left it pretty unorganized. My goal is to just be more organized, be more productive, because I'm going to be into the nursing program hopefully soon, and just got to finish up my last classes and other things. So I'm really trying to just like get on a schedule and just be like prepared for my day and just like be ready to go earlier. So like be showered, be dressed, and like I usually sleep in pretty late, almost like 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and lately I've been waking up more like 9 or 10 because I really just want to be up earlier and just ready to go. I want my day to be started earlier, and I wanted to be more productive. So I just wanted to share with you my little journey as I'm cleaning and organizing my house. And if you guys do enjoy this type of video, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down to my channel down below, or leave a comment with any video suggestions that you may have. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this organizational video. So to start this video, I'm just taking everything that I have inside of a package and removing it and putting it into a container where it's clear and like I can see what I have, just because this allows me to understand what I have and make sure I'm not wasting anything and just using what I have, because I tend to waste a lot of food, unfortunately. So my idea was to have a open pantry because I don't have a lot of cabinet storage. So I wanted to open up some more space in my cabinets and figure out a way to just make my pantry look more pretty and just look more organized, so I'm more likely to use everything. I picked up these little farmhouse like shelf things from, where was it from? Oh my gosh, Menards. So these little like posts I had gotten from Menards, and then I also got the wood material from Menards as well. These were already pre-made, pre-cut. You just buy them like they are. So I just got 2 of the same ones. And then I just started taking everything out of the package like I mentioned, and just started putting them into a clear container. The containers I purchased were from Hobby Lobby. I was super lucky and found some containers that were actually like half off. They were only a couple bucks each, so it was pretty affordable to do this project, and I'm so happy that I found them, because on Amazon they had some, but they were pretty pricey. I think one container was like $22 for one container, that like a large container like this one here. And that's just crazy. I didn't want to spend that much. It would have been at least $100 for the ones that I needed. So I actually found these pretty affordable, and I would definitely say do research or look around before you go buy online. mentioned before, I do not have a lot of cabinet space. This closet is actually used for a linen closet and a pantry where I store my pots and pans. So I took the lids from them and used command strips to put it on the side of the door, so that way I can store the lids on the door and open up more space in my cabinet. And this really helped create just a little bit more space so I can put other things or put something in a different position, so that way it's not so crowded. So if you guys don't have very much space, I would recommend to do this with your lids. You could even hang like measuring cups and stuff like that, which I actually did later on in this video. And command strips are super affordable. I picked mine up just from Walmart. You can pretty much find them in most stores, so definitely check it out if you guys are interested. The next thing I organized was actually some produce. So I don't have a lot of counter space. My kitchen is pretty difficult to work with, but I'm making it work because I absolutely love my house, obviously. So I took these baskets I found on Amazon, super affordable. I think they were maybe like $12 a piece. I can't remember, but I'll have them listed down in the description box if you guys are interested. I also found this Farm Fresh sign from Amazon as well, and again, it was very affordable. But I took these baskets and lined them up against the wall and made them pretty much even. And what I did was just stored my produce. So I took my potatoes, avocado, bananas, and apples and just stored those all in there. And it really helps get things off my countertop or off my little kitchen island where I keep my Keurig machine and coffee cups and things. So it did help open up some more space. My goal for my kitchen is just to utilize and maximize the space as much as I can, and definitely doing it on a budget. And you guys can definitely do this too. It did not cost me very much to do any of these projects, so definitely keep that in mind if you guys have a budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money to be organized. Alright guys, so that is pretty much everything that I wanted to do for this organizational video and get my house a little bit more organized. If you enjoy these type of videos, like I said, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I know what you guys are interested in. You guys can always leave me video suggestions down below and I will definitely consider them. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!